It's like the only thing that makes less sense than the price of this wallet is that my delts are popping this much. Like, I didn't even work out today. No, wait, correction. I did work out today. I just didn't work out my delts. It was back day. But here we have the Ridge wallet. Tobacco brown leather. And I don't think they're using tobacco for the plates. I think they're just using it. I mean, not using leather for the little money strap here. It's like, what? And this cost $150. Babe. Babe.
What?
You saw the link, right?
Wait, no. Oh, wait, yeah. Hold on, let me open
Take a gander at this. $150 for this.
it. Okay.
It's like, what? I mean, I know a
Yeah.
lot of times people charge a little high for things that cost a lot and for development, but I just don't see how this costs a lot for development. I could CAD this shit myself. But 0.55 inches. It's half an inch. You see that? It's so small. That's why it costs so much. You press a button and everything comes out. You gotta pay for the premium whatevers. I do not like these wallets one bit. I don't. Lighter, slightly weighted.
Yeah, they seem so overrated.
It is like, why would I want, like, I know the materials on this are actually pretty good, and it's got the RFID blocking plates on it, which I like. But there's something so lacking in taste for with a Ridge wallet that is just I don't like them. But I absolutely love the company's ability to advertise. How do you sell $150 wallet where you just got a small piece of leather, probably shitty China leather, just sewn onto the elastic to hold the money? Oh, you offer to throw out Lamborghini Huracans and shit. That's what they did. But you look at the wallets, the Kintsugi collection. They said that all of these are unique. I don't believe them. The 24 karat gold. If you want to be ritzy and show how little bit of class you have while trying to have all of it, it's like 250. Okay, yeah, not $295 for yeah. If it's actual 24 karat gold, then yeah, okay, that it makes a bit more sense. But it's like, oh my god, these are $95 wallets. And a couple $150 ones, so like midnight black leather. Let's take a gander, shall we? Full kit, save 22%. Does this actually have leather on it besides that right there? It just looks like a fucking skin change from, an image editor or whatever. What is that? What is that? There are things that don't make sense about this at all, and I'm just like, who pays for this? But then again, it's like I know what kind of money I've spent on stupid shit I don't need. But this, okay, that's pretty cool. But $150 cool. The burnt Damascus. Oh my god. And of course, I'm doing
It
a
looks really tacky.
tacky. Now I do like the hard shell sling. I just don't think it's worth $95. And I got one right here. And yeah, it's cool. It's not $95 cool. Full review coming soon. Like they're not supposed to pop this much on days I don't work them out. It's like you're actually seeing the fucking each of the fucking muscle heads right here. And it's just like I haven't even been working these things that hard. Why are they popping so much? But yeah, so I actually like this sling bag, though I got some questions about its construction. It's not a $95 bag. Thankfully I got mine on sale for 40. Probably cost only 20 bucks to make this too, just like the frickin' wallets. Let's take a look at Grok. Let's ask the Grok how much it costs to make a Ridge wallet. Raw materials $3 to $5. Labor and assembly $3 to $6. Packaging and RFID tech $2 to $4. Overhead shipping, all that $5. 10 to 20 for $150 or $95 depending upon which unit you want wallet. Now, I've seen videos of guys shooting it with a 45-70 lever gun and it's surviving. So I am going to give them a little bit of credit there. I mean, yeah, the things are highly bullet resistant. But you're paying more for a name. It's basically Gucci, but American. And not as prissy.
Yeah, that checks out.
So I wouldn't call it a scam. But I would call it overrated like a motherfucker. Now, I do like the feel of these. And if Ridge wants to get on my good side, they can send me the entirety of their travel package. Now, that being said, am I doing this? Am I just sitting here shitting on Ridge because I make wallets? No. I genuinely think that they're not worth the price that you pay for them. I genuinely am not a fan of the actual product itself. I love the company because, I mean, they're literally getting people to spend how much money on what is essentially worth 20 bucks? I'm sure there's a couple dollar difference there, but I mean, that's capitalism at its finest. The advertising campaign, I love it. But for the RFID, I mean, for my wallets, you got a cardigan, little RFID jammer blocker card. And this is my daily driver. Right here, the Liberty. I made this. I mean, there's a certain set of pride of like, I made this. And I love my wallets. I mean, I got this one. This is the Daybreaker. I mean, it's only got 3 slots on it, but it's meant to be thin and just, slide wherever the hell you want it to. I had this. This was my daily driver for forever. I mean, this was the prototype for what is essentially the Patriot. Comes in veg tan and nice pull leather. Oh, here's just another prototype that I'm probably going to wind up just tossing to whoever wants it. I'm still debating as to whether or not I want to keep the rivets. So, there's that. Let me see here. Oh, actually got a Patriot right here. And I'm not working on this design until, well, this design's almost perfected, but I'm not going to actually do anything with this design until I can get some shell cordovan in, because I'm going to exclusively sell this with shell cordovan. Because it's sexy. Look at this. I mean, that's veg tan right there, but you know what? Doesn't fit the bill. This somehow just turned into an advertising thing for me. And during the original videos that I made of just me going over Ridge wallets and their different products, I had my girlfriend talking in the background, so you probably couldn't hear her too well. But after after doing that video, I started looking over this the Ridge Sling that I got, and I'm actually starting to see a couple problems that have me questioning things a bit more. Because I feel like the problems that I'm having with this Ridge Sling bag right now could easily be fixed by a whole $2 worth of time and investment. And, you know, I actually kind of like this thing. So, I'm not a fan of their wallets, but I am kind of a fan of their slings. Just, is it $95 worth? Yeah, just wait for the video, which comes in probably after the Chinese shoe patcher video. Again, I might just say to hell with that and just do that one. Anyways, like, share, subscribe. Debating as to whether or not I want to do giveaways.